Good morning, guys. It is now 10:30. We got a little late start today. Not too late, but kind of late. So as of now, I'm cutting up some fruits, making some tea, making me something to eat. Cyan still asleep, yes. And we are working on our brain quest today. So I've been not struggling, but like sometimes I do switch up what they do. But I do actually like Brain Quest because it has every subject topic in one. We had one book, but we finished it, so we started on another one. We do have other books that we do, but I decided just to do this because it's kind of like everything is compact. You get what I'm saying? Everything is in the same book, so we don't have to keep switching from different books. So we're doing that now. So I am here cutting up some strawberries. I like to cut the strawberries up so they can be easily accessible. I just washed off apples. I just washed off some cherries. I just like to have the fruits easily accessible so when they go in the refrigerator, they could just grab the fruit. And that's what I like to do. So, I'm making me some tea. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I want to make the baby something before he wakes up. Because I'm trying to get him used to eating more food so he can get off these tits. You know what I mean? These breasts. You know what I'm saying? Not completely get off, but just slow down a little bit, you know? So I'll try to have something ready for him before he wakes up. He's a late sleeper though. He might wake up like at 12 maybe. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. But today, we have Kumon today. Kumon starts at 3 o'clock. We need to leave out by 2:15 because the traffic, well, going there, the traffic is not so crazy. But coming back, woo. But I like to get in there at 3 o'clock and be done by 3:30 so we can just zip and leave. And it don't take that long. But if we wait around, the traffic is going to be crazy. What else? I don't know. I think they want to go to the park. I don't know. I did want to go outside and do some gardening, but it's cold, y'all. It's like 50 degrees. I know I'm from Detroit. I don't care. That's still cold to me. Okay? I live in Florida. I don't like cold. That's why I live here. 50 degrees is a little chilly for me now. Like, that's a little chilly. That's why I didn't go out there this morning. I've been up since 8 o'clock, but I planned on going outside because I have a couple of seeds I want to plant. But baby, that 50 degrees, no baby, And I have my yellow flower tree that I want to move to my garden side. I don't know why I put it on the side with the vegetation garden. That don't make sense. So now I want to move it to the side with my garden. And I got to show you guys, I put some flowers out there in my garden. I went to the flower shop. I gotta post a video. I went to the flower shop and I bought some flowers for the garden. So that's what we're doing today. Let me finish these fruits and find me something to eat. Peppermint. We need to grow our own peppermint. We had peppermint. I don't know. I need to grow it back. I'm gonna put a little honey. We drink too much peppermint not to have it outside. You can buy a peppermint plant and just plant it, right? Okay, I decided to make an omelet, so I'm gonna make a veggie omelet for me and my husband. He's off work today. And the boys requested peppermint tea. And we are drinking liver detox tea, dandelion tea, and with ginger inside. And after I drink it, I'm going to eat the ginger. It's good for your digestive system. So I'm going to prepare that. The boys are still doing their schoolwork. And let's do it. Put a little olive oil. I have onions, green peppers, mushrooms. I don't have any spinach. Nature seasoning. I'm gonna save this for my compost. I'll show you guys how I put it in. That will make the sentence more interesting. Yeah. You know adjectives and adverbs, don't you? That's something you're supposed to make up? I'm about to come look at it. Hold on, let me come look at it.
It said he traveled and answered food.
Facts. Everything they stated in there. What happened? All the facts that happened. Yeah, man. I did my boo-boo. Right. All right, guys. So I want to take up this tree, my yellow flower tree. As you can see, it's over here with the garden, the vegetable garden. But I want it over there with my, what do you call that? Flower garden. So this is my flower garden, guys. See? I have flowers over here. I think I'm going to put it like right here, so it can flourish from the back. Ah. Okay. Compost, guys. We are putting the strawberries in the compost. So leaves and dirt go on top. Leaves and dirt, and just keep repeating that. Leaves and dirt. There goes into my bit. Let me show you guys my papayas. Look. Papayas. Yeah. These supposed to be peppers, but they looking like jalapenos. These supposed to be sweet peppers. Look, y'all see the jalapeno right there? I don't know what's going on. Papaya. Coconut break, guys. Oh, this real sweet. Oh, this super sweet. The older the coconut, the sweeter the water.
Fine.
Have you guys ever had coconut meat? The inside of the coconut? It's really good for you. Okay, we were supposed to go to Kumon, but we will not be going to Kumon today. So, I don't know, maybe we'll go to the park, come back and eat dinner, and be done with the day. Maybe that's what we'll do. And I'll clean up. We were supposed to make sock puppets today, so later on, maybe we'll make sock puppets. Maybe play like a family board game. What's today, Tuesday? Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. So this is probably the end of our day for today. We'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Excuse me?